Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul and kind of an unboxing from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so these are the items I picked up from Harbor Freight today, as well as these two blankets and this storage cart or cabinet. This is the large cabinet, but I'm going to start over here first. Okay, some of these items are already unboxed. Everything here I had a coupon for. The wheels, let's see. The wheels were where are they? Okay, they were originally $6.99. I got them for $4.99 a piece. These two wheels. I picked up a pack of 5 flat soapstones, as well as a 4-pack soapstone marker set with holders. I had both of these already. Problem is one of my cats knocked over one of the containers, had all my stones and everything for my welding in it, and they all shattered. So I just picked them up. These were like $1 and $2, something like that. They're not very expensive. The cabinet, the welding cabinet, I had a 20% off Vulcan coupon for cabinets and all accessories for Vulcan. Cabinet's originally $3.29. I picked it up for $2.63. So it's a heck of a deal in my opinion. Where is it at? On this one. The orange magnetic tray with screwdriver holder, which is this guy, part number 56449, was originally $11.99. I picked it up for $8.99 because I had a coupon. I used a 20%, that was a 25% off coupon. This smaller one, the screwdriver holder and spray can holder, it's normally $11.99. I got a 20% off coupon on that. It was $2.40. So this was $9.59. The soapstones with holder was $3.49. The flat soapstone 5-pack was $1.49. These two guys right here, which is 64070 and 60633. All the flap discs. Okay, so we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in 120 grit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in 60 grit. I picked up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as well in 36 grit. And I picked up 2 of these 10-pack of 40 grit aluminum oxide, 1 in 1/16, 1 in a 16th thick, 13,300 max RPM 10-pack of these Warrior cutoff wheels. I picked up 2 of these. The cutoff wheels I had a coupon for as well. They were originally $8.79. I got them for $5.99. And I got both of them for $5.99, which is almost $3 off. The blankets, the 72 by 80 moving blanket, this one was $8.99, and the 40 by 72 movers blanket, this was $3.99. So just a quick little haul. Everything basically is already unboxed other than the magnet holders. All of the flap discs, all of these flap discs I got for 99 cents instead of the $4.29 they normally are. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So all of these were $21 instead of the $4.29 a piece, which would be 4 times 21. So this right here is $90 worth of flap discs I got for $21. And then if you throw these in here, these are $5.99 a piece. So basically just round it up to $6. It's 12 bucks right here. So it's 33 bucks right here. $33 instead of the about 110 or 15 bucks this would have normally been. So I wasn't gonna pass it up. The coupon was for all flap discs between 36 grit, 60 grit, and 120 grit. You know, and I use these a lot when I'm metal fabricating, so I figured 99 cents, it's a heck of a deal. These were only a couple dollars off, but you know, I'm actually probably going to be using these on the Vulcan cart because these are wider. They're a little bit more stout. They can hold more weight. When you put 3 welders, you know, a couple gas cylinders, you know, if you're putting a 125 or even a 300 CF tank, you know, they weigh about 150, 200 pounds. If you're putting 2 of them on there, you know, the cart's going to be heavy. So I figured the wider wheels will give me a better traction, as well as a better weight distribution. I believe these can hold more weight than the ones the cart comes with. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing a video on it, on putting it together, but I can probably take the box off. Let me see. It's back over here for now. Put a lot of foam in here. No idea if it's upside down or not. It's very well packaged. I'm gonna have to use the shop vac. It is upright. So this is the bottom. And I'm gonna end up using one of the moving blankets to flip it over so that way I can put the wheels and everything on. I'm assuming this fur. So this is the back. And this is on the that Harbor Freight newer dolly. But okay, here's the keys, the chains, the handle, instructions. The bottom drawer. Let's see which one is this one. All the hardware. I'm probably not going to put it together on camera. Here's the keys. Okay, and there's a couple boxes in here, the shelves. So it looks like everything's in here, which is very nice how they packaged it. Might have to clean it because there's fuzz all over it from the packaging, which is probably foam and everything. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's got fuzz all over it. But I'm probably not going to record putting it together. You guys probably know how to put a cabinet together. It's basically you just put the wheels on it and the handles and everything and you're good. These are the trays on top. But all in all, figured I'd show you guys everything I picked up. Used a bunch of coupons. These are the orange style. These are actually going to go inside this cart. These trays, they're going to go inside this black welding cart. But this is the tray. I figured if orange is kind of bright, it's going to stand out inside the black cart, so it'd be easy to see. If I like the orange ones, I'll probably pick them up for the 30-inch cart right here as well. But you know, they're just magnetic trays. I have not had any issues with the other ones I have, which are these guys right here. Same tray, that one's just orange. Paper towel holder. The can holder, which I just put all my flashlights up here. But you can put screwdrivers in here as well as cans. And the glove holder. I'll probably pick up these in orange later down the road. But just figured I'd show you guys real quick. I'm not going to unbox or unbag the blankets. They're just moving blankets. I'm probably not going to unbox the spray can and screwdriver holder. These I'm not going to unbox. You guys have seen me unbox these in a different video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give some more information. I'll splice this in to the rest of the video. This Master Welding Series Vulcan Heavy Duty Welding Cabinet, all-in-one mobile welding storage cabinet. Storage volume is 6.82 cubic feet. I figured to give you guys the specs. Top platform dimensions is 34.5 inches long by 20 and 1/4 inches wide. Working load is 500 pounds. Weight is 159 pounds. Wheel diameter is 8 inches for the back wheels. Locking swivel caster diameter is 4 inches. Overall dimensions is 48 and 1/4 inches long by 25.5 inches wide by 33.5 inches high. And let's see if I can. There you go. That's this guy right here. And then got the same information on this side. This is welding rod organizer. It's got a kind of information on the back. Easy storage hooks for hoses and cables. Top surface with backstop for secure placement of multiple welders. On-door storage. 4-inch smooth rolling locking casters. Large compartment with adjustable shelves. Convenient storage for welding helmets. Large 8-inch wheels. Platform and chains for 2 9-inch gas cylinders. 3 drawers with ball bearing slides, and a tough steel construction. That's what it says on this side. And the SKU and everything is right here. Gross weight, net weight. It came from Moreno Valley. I assume Moreno Valley is California. Somebody leave that below, I'm not sure. It says use lifting tools, 100 pounds plus, this end up. So the box is in great condition. It did have a pallet, but the gentleman that helped me at Harbor Freight, there's just a little top of the box came apart, not a big deal. He used the forklift and loaded into the back of my 4Runner, and when we slid, I cut all the straps that was holding it to the pallet and slid it off the pallet into my truck, and then I threw the pallet in the front of the box. But just a little more information if anybody wants more specifications, or they want, you know, any information. It's got pre-threaded holes in the back. It does have a serial number. The warranty for this guy was for a 2-year was $78. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And if you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. I'll try to answer them the best I can. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.